Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see a small Parrot program. So what would Parrot do? We say something, our Parrot will repeat it, right? So the same thing we are going to see using a program here. So let's enter that. So here in this program at starting I have given a variable message that it has an empty string, okay? That's it. That simply I'm giving a double quotes indicating it is an empty string. And now another line, that is next line, in while message not equal to quit. In sense, the persons they are going to enter some lines, it needs to be other than quit, okay? So it could be names or whatever it is, it could be, but not quit. Only then this while loop will be executed. So at first, of course, our message is an empty string and it is not equal to quit. So normally the program enters inside this while loop. And now, of course, message is equal to input of say something, let me repeat. So the prompt I have given inside is say something, let me repeat. So of course, now you are going to type something in it. And let's say that I love Python. This is what I'm going to give inside this. I love Python. And now this message, it enters into this if loop. If message equal to quit. Is it equal to quit here? No. I have entered I love Python. So normally this if loop will not be executed and it enters to this print statement. We are just going to print the message. And the message is I love Python. Okay. Once again, the program control runs to the beginning of the while loop and it will check message not equal to quit. Of course, the last message is not equal to quit. So once again, it enters into this loop. And again, it will ask, say something, let me repeat. I love programming. And once again, this will check inside this if loop. Of course, this is not quit. So the if loop will not be executed and it enters this print of message line and this I love programming will be printed to output screen. Once again, this program control will reach this starting of the loop. So message not equal to quit. Of course, it is not equal to quit. And what we have given, I love program. Once again, it will be enters inside this while loop and it will keep on asking you to say something so that it can repeat. So this runs as long as you want. And once when you feel you're completely tired of writing so many lines, so now we are just going to enter quit. Okay. So the message is asking us to say something, let me repeat, and we have entered quit. And now once when it checks the if loop, like if message equal to quit, of course we have entered quit. So it will see break. So that's it. The program will be taken out of this loop. So our program will be stopped running. So try this program once again and write as much as things you want. So this program entirely makes you clear with the concepts of while loop. So it will run as long as you want and there could be some condition for it to stop. And if we really forget to give any condition for it to stop, of course, we are just going to enter inside this infinite loop. So better be cautious using while loop. So I hope you really understand this program. So that's it. So play around with this program for a while and enjoy learning it. So that's it, friends. Join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye-bye and take care.